Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add money to your MT5 demo account. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open MT5 app on your phone and then you're going to tap settings here at the bottom right corner. You're going to make sure that your account is demo by verifying this green ribbon and it will be written demo on that. And then you're going to know your broker. So you're going to note the name of your broker connected to your MT5 account. For example, let's say it's Xmas. So you're going to open your broker's mobile app or client area, and then you're going to go to the demo account section here at the top. So once you do click on that, you'll be able to see various options such as deposit, transfer, withdrawal, settings, switch account, or open account. So if you wish to add virtual money, you're going to click on deposit, and depending on your phone's version, it can be written top up or add funds. The option name may vary by broker. So here it's written deposit. Simply click on that, and then you're going to enter the amount of virtual money you want to add. For example, I have typed down 1,000. So you're going to click on continue, and once you do so, you'll be able to see 1,000 appear here at the top. That means that the balance has been updated. So you can return to your MT5 account and refresh your account, and you'll be able to see that balance appear over here as well.